Quad stock lost 1.14% in the regular session of today, the 29th of September 2025, and dropping a further 8.02% in this post market session. So, this is now the second straight day of losses. It lost on Friday, the 26th, and today, the 29th. So, I think the stock is, maybe attempting to contract expansion that has been in place since when? Let's see, that expansion began on Wednesday the 17th, non-stop. Never. Okay, well, you could say on Wednesday, I think non-stop. Yeah, Wednesday the 17th non-stop until Thursday the 25th. Yeah, so high prices are expected to keep printing regardless. Yeah, okay. It's actually saying that by tomorrow the 30th, this weakness will continue, will extend to till tomorrow the 30th, and then after that, it may attempt to resume the uptrend, but the trend is to the upside. Okay, so the company raised up to $500 million, $550 million. They sold some convertible bonds. Yeah, they'll be used to finance the phase two rare earth circuit expansion at White Mass Mill. Okay, so I digress there. Okay, so projections are saying to the downside 12.23, but it has an intraday high of 18.78. So we'll take that. That printed on Friday, the 26th. Okay, price pressure momentums. I think they are. Let's see what we have. Okay, they're still trending. They're still trending. No negative derivative. It hasn't. The stock has the immense amount of strength it has built up. It's this two this the last two trading sessions, given the decline in those sessions, still not enough to uh, change drive any of the derivatives negative. But it does not mean that some money have been lost as well. Some positions opened at those levels surely would have lost some value. So, but all in all, much of the positions opened all the way back to 10 days ago, and later they're still very much intact, very much in profit. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart and see. 4 hour chart, we have you can see it looks a lot worse here. Here you would say it's facing it's just gotten a rejection. There's a stumbling rejection here. There's a staunch rejection here. Just this is what it looks like, and the weakness is expected to remain in place up till the pre-market session of tomorrow. And then after that, the uptrend may resume. Or may resume and then consolidate up till Friday the third of October. Then after that, the resumption of the uptrend may kick in. Projections are saying 15.3, 13.97, 13.15, nothing to the upside there. But we've seen $14, $18. Price pressure momentums, okay, severely bearish on the two of them, severely bearish. However, their derivatives are robustly positive, indicating that people are buying this deep. Yeah, they are buying it, and they may have also bought during the regular session of today. But even they've been buying, but it hasn't changed anything. It hasn't changed the direction. But we also have a fractional second and first derivative on the 10 period moving average. I think it's also indicating that in the midst of all of that, the stock is really facing some resistance. Selling pressure is also strong. Yeah, it's quite strong. Even though buyers have been able to make an impact, but the selling pressure is resisting the the attempt to reverse the reverse course. Yeah. Do we dare see what's going on in the order books? Yeah, we can see 15.25. That's I think sellers are probably the ones in charge right now. Okay, nothing much is going on right now in this post-market session. Yeah. Okay, that's what's going on right now. We could just have a look at the weekly chart and see if it has anything. Doubt if it has. No, it hasn't been. Oh, it has. It has been around. It has an extrapolation. Yeah, that tells you how long the stock has been trading. Okay, so extrapolation is saying that it's just gonna contract with a it's gonna be more of an accumulative contraction. Yeah, a sideways movement with a bias to the upside, going all the way towards early December. Then after that, we might see a contraction. No guarantee that will be the case. Projections here are saying 8.5. Yeah, nothing to the upside here. Even previously, it doesn't seem to have anything like that. Yeah, but we have the stock has been able to print one, establish one by as a result of buying action $18.78. Yeah, so okay, so yeah, that's what's going on right now, and I think some other thing as well. The price of uranium has been going up. It seems that's going to be good for the company. Let's see what they're saying here. Okay, talking about the proceeds. Okay, it also intends to use a portion of the proceeds to pay cost of capped calls, derivative transactions employed to help offset the potential dilution. With over 230.6 million shares outstanding, the company has $3.8 billion market cap. Okay. Can Energy Fuels capitalize on the recent gain in uranium prices? Okay. Uranium prices have recently surged to above $23 per pound in September, the highest in nearly a year, fueled by growing expectations of expanded nuclear power capacity, fresh purchases by physical uranium funds, and policy initiatives. The US has announced it will boost its strategic uranium reserve. India aims to boost their nuclear capacity to at least 100 gigawatts by 2047, and the US plans to quadruple its nuclear capacity to 400 gigawatts by 2050. The US and UK government recently signed a technology prosperity deal, which seeks to accelerate reactor approvals and aid the United Kingdom in achieving full independence from Russia nuclear fuel by the end of 2028. Yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, have a look and see what you make of energy stock. Yeah, projections we currently have is 18.70 dollars. 18.70. Let me quickly have a look at the daily chart. And the line trend is strongly bullish, so I think yeah, there's ample room to the upside, even though maybe these are fresh highs. I think is this fresh highs? Are those is it trading at fresh highs? Is it these all time highs? It seems it is. It seems it is its all time high. Yeah, we'll have to go a long way back to find it. But yeah, that's what's going on, and have a look and see what you make of Quad Youth stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.